Have you ever felt like the underdog in a situation, outnumbered and outmatched? Well, what if I told you there's a sneaky tactic some use to turn the tables and come out on top? In the heat of battle, when faced with overwhelming numbers, sometimes the best strategy is not to fight back with force, but rather to deceive your enemy. By dropping all pretense of military preparedness and acting calmly, you can make the enemy believe that you are setting an ambush. This can cause them to hesitate and give you the upper hand. However, this stratagem should only be used sparingly and by those who have already established a reputation for military prowess. It also requires a clever opponent who may overthink their reaction, falling into your trap. In the face of adversity, maintaining confidence and composure can be a powerful weapon. By faking strength and strategy, even when outnumbered, you can turn the tide of battle in your favor. Remember, it's not always about brute force, but about outsmarting your opponent. So next time you find yourself outnumbered and outgunned, consider using this genius strategy to secure victory. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful strategies and tactics.